What is happening, guys? This is Player Guy 1 here, and I'm doing the back review of Plarail T-26 Rusty. Now, I bought this on eBay. With a $10 discount. So yeah, I bought this on the day after Christmas, and eBay was still putting up discounts. So I decided to buy this with a $10 discount. Yeah, excellent purchase. Rusty with two of these coaches. I've never gotten these two coaches before, and I finally have. So let's take a look at the box first. There's a little promo of Rusty. I guess it was season 6. It says Plarail Time with the Friends. I guess. I don't remember. T-26 Plarail Rusty. Let's take a look at the bottom. Oh, I love the design of the box. Here's Rusty. Came with these two coaches, like I said. And there's a little cartoon promo of Rusty. That looks cool. Sky Blue Railroad. Let's see. Thomas Train 3 Plus. Little TV series. Here's the actual model. Here's the back. That's how you put the battery in. Unscrew from the bottom. Put the battery in. Put Rusty back together. And on and off. And he's off to the races. Sorry, the sticker's right there. It came in the box like that. So, let's go ahead and unbox Rusty, the narrow gauge diesel. And this will be in fast motion. Okay, so here we have Tommy Rusty, or Plarail Rusty, with these two coaches. I have the instructions in my hand, so let's take a look at the instructions. Hook. That's how you connect the hooks together. Do not put the train on your head if you have hair. Yeah. Pretty much so. Anyways, let's take a look at one of the coaches. I'm only going to take a look at one of them. That's because I know both of these are identical. So let's take a look. Nice design. Love the colors. So this one's basically the same thing. I'm not going to show the other one. Now let's take a look at Rusty himself in his Tommy Plarail glory. The face. He's looking right at his point of view. Tommy does that. He used to do that back then. Well, that's interesting. When I looked at the pictures, when I bought Rusty, there are triangle screws. When I bought this, and it shipped to my home, I was like, huh. As of right now, I was like, huh. There are triangle screws on Rusty. Triangle screws at the bottom. That's odd. What I remember at the Plarail Tommy photos of Rusty, he used to have different kinds of wheels. You know, the wheels from Diesel 10. I'm not sure why they decided to redesign Rusty with these type of wheels. I don't know. I think they look good. Let's pop a battery in Rusty. Do you guys remember these type of drive units? Because I do. Here's the inside of Rusty. I guess this little box right here holds the weight. I remember these type of drive units. Flat type drive units. Yeah. Most of these were from the Fisher-Price Mattel models. That was in the late Trackmaster era. Before Trackmaster 2. And he's alive. Kind of grindy. Wobbly wheel. Kind of loud. But anyways, let's give the little orange narrow gauge diesel engine his run. We're at the railway, and here comes Rusty's run. Here we go. Right now. Up the hill with Rusty. That was a beautiful hill climb. Beautiful. So YouTubers, there it is. The unboxing review of Plarail Rusty from the T-Series. Now, as I said, I bought Rusty the day after Christmas. And you know what I call the day after Christmas? The Christmas Aftermath. That's where almost every store is open. Discounts at stores and websites. Now, I bought Rusty from a $10 discount on eBay. And I have to admit, a good buy. A $10 discount. It actually worked. I'm surprised. It actually worked. Yeah, a $10 discount. Really, it's worth it. I mean, I got Rusty with these two coaches. Now, coming soon are the Annoying Orange parodies. That's right, folks. The Annoying Orange parodies. Since I've got Rusty, Annoying Orange parodies will be coming out soon. This year or next year. I'm not sure. I have to get all kinds of engines that I need to make the parodies. So yeah. Now I'll talk about the stuff that I've got over Christmas, around Christmas and stuff. Here's Zintian riding on Trackmaster 2 track. And you've been thinking, where did you buy Trackmaster 2 track? And why did you buy Trackmaster 2 track? Well, I bought these tracks at Toys R Us. And the reason why I bought Trackmaster 2 track is just I want to give them a shot. And I have to admit, they are really good. Really good design. Kind of realistic. They are realistic, even though they're only compatible with Trackmaster 2 engines. I have to admit, really good looking. Really cool. And yeah. So Handle's going by. I bought them before Christmas. And I wrapped them up for myself. And I bought a custom $30 card off of eBay. After I got money from football. I almost went 5-0. But I should have listened to my father from the pool. So I got $30. And I got Sir Handle, 2 packs of AA batteries, and a Hyperdash 3 Tamiya motor for my custom Nigel. Oh, and this New York Central Hudson replica, I got it at the train place from New York, and my mom bought me this, especially this, I would call it a nail or something like that. I forgot what it's called. With NY Central for this J3A Hudson or J3 Hudson or whatever. Sorry, I have a stuffy nose. I'm sick again. It's winter. And from my black shelf, from my Throwback Thursday Thomas Dillon Gem, or Thomas Dillon Gem, or Gem, or whatever. And what am I doing with the ballot? What am I doing with the black shelf? Ba-da-da-da! For the NFL. So yeah, here's the playoffs. Playoffs? What are we talking about? Playoffs? You kidding me? Playoffs? I thought we should win the game. So, here are the Eagles, Vikings, Rams, Saints, Panthers, and Falcons from the NFC. Here's the AFC side. Patriots, Steelers, Jaguars, Chiefs, Titans, and Bills. And what do you know? The Bills. Congratulations, Buffalo Bills. You've made the postseason for the first time in the 21st century. Even though you struggled after going 5-2, but congratulations. You've made the postseason since 1999. 18 years. 18 years for the Bills without a playoff berth. And here's the black shelf that keep the helmets. You know, ever since the teams are eliminated, I put them in this shelf right here. And I keep these plastic bins or whatever. And these are the bye-week teams. Patriots and Steelers, and Eagles and Vikings. I haven't shown my football stuff that often. And here's my shelf. Full of little NFL helmets. Especially the custom ones, like this classic Giants one right here. I also keep them for the AFC. I only have the customs for the throwback ones. I'm kind of poor. Here's the custom classic Bills. I guess I did a good job. And the smaller ones for the NFC and the AFC. So yeah, I have collections of both the NFL and Thomas and Friends. I'm kind of fans of both of them. I became an NFL fan since when I was a little kid. So yeah, here's the camera stand for my phone. So I decided to use my new camera stand or my phone stand because the station one wasn't good enough. So yeah. Goodbye. Great purchase. Rusty with two, I don't know, orangish, reddish coaches. A great purchase. So yeah, that's it. Parodies, NFL stuff, Rusty, Trackmaster 2-track, my little New York Central Hudson train, and yeah. That's all from this video. This is Player Guy on One here saying thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for 300 subscribers. I eternally appreciate it.